I think my lipstick on? No. Okay. Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. Before we begin, it is currently thunderstorming outside. And as soon as I'm done with this, as soon as I wrap up, I grab in my joint and I'm going to enjoy this rain. Okay? So let's go. So for this video, I want to talk about my #1 femininity tip. My #1 advice to attracting a money man, a wealthy man, a high value man, however you want to classify him, a man that's above average, right? My #1 tip, and it should seem pretty obvious, but I don't think it is that have your own money. Have your own money. When you have your own money and you're weeding through the pickings of the men that approach you and DM you and call you and text you and whoever you choose to give your number to, make sure that you have your own money, okay? So that no man can say to you, oh, without me you wouldn't have, or if it wasn't for me this wouldn't happen, or you're home and you're hungry and you can't do anything because you're so dependent on this man, right? Having your own money also offers you the opportunity to increase your education level. It allows you the opportunity to be in spaces that having no money would have allotted you in the first place. Having money allows you to take care of your skin, your hair, your nails, your health. Having money, it just overall, or having your own money just overall, right, increases or betters your lifestyle. And that's what's going to put you in spaces, and it's going to help you to attract the men who also have money. When you have your own money and you show him that you have money, he'll know that, all right, she's not just with me for the money. Your life is your responsibility. Your bills are your responsibility. Not saying man not give you money because man's supposed to give you money, right? But the money that a man gives you should be an asset. It should be a plus. It should be an addition. I'm also not saying just go out there and not not ask for things, not get things, not receive things. I literally have a whole wish list of items on my website for people to either buy me lunch, buy me drinks, buy me a bottle, buy me dinner, a list of perfumes, purses, shoes, jewelry, because there are some men out there who do like to spend on women, and those are the type of men that we need to be attracting into our lives. But until then, have your own money. Having your own money will unlock so many more doors than not having money. And I'm not saying if you don't have money, you're not going to find these men. You can. You can. But you have a higher chance of finding the man that can match your lifestyle or get you to the lifestyle that you want to be. Because again, we're looking for someone who's an asset, who can add to your life, not take away. You want someone, and I've been saying this for a while now on multiple, I've said it on my friend's podcast, Fair Charles. I've said it in conversation with people. I've been saying it a lot these past couple months. The person who I'm going to be with is either going to be at my level or above. I can do for myself. What can you do for me is the question. So when you have your own status, your own money, right? A man who also has his own status and his own money is going to find you even more attractive. Especially if he's above, because you know, most men, I'm not saying all, most men have this ego where they, not even this ego, but this masculine energy to protect and to provide. Those are the men that we're looking for. We're looking for the generous men who want to protect and provide. Whatever level you're at right now, whatever, and I'm not saying you need to be a millionaire or a thousandaire. I'm just saying, make sure that you have money in your pocket where your bills are covered, your kids are covered, your self-care maintenance is covered, all of that is covered. You can go shopping, even if you don't go shopping whenever you want, but if you wanted a new dress, you could easily go out and buy yourself a new dress, right? You're in the dating world. When you're in the dating world, you're putting your best self forward, I'm assuming, right? To do that, you need money. When you're putting your best self forward with this money, the men with money see that and want to be an asset to your life. Now, if you're one of them girls who don't care about what you look like, you don't care what you smell like, you don't care, where you eat, what you eat, you don't care what your kids are doing, what they look like, you don't care about your kids' education, you're not at the PTA and the SAC meetings, you're not at the open houses, like you're not doing the things, you're not taking care of your life, you're going to attract men. You're going to invite men who are of the same caliber, who don't care what they look like, smell like, dress like, act like. They don't care about being in their children's lives. And have I, once upon a time, attracted these men and even bedded these men? Yes. Yes. Even if initially they were princes, right? After a while, they've gotten comfortable. And when they get too comfortable, what do? You kick them to the curb and you move on. Because you have your own money. When you have your own money, you have more options. You have way, way, way more options. You don't have to settle for nobody across the sun when you have more money. You don't. And even if you're not trying to find somebody's son to be with, right? Having your own money just feels good. It's just better. And yes, I'm pushing independence, but I'm not pushing hyper independence. Is that the right term? I want you to be able to do for yourself, but at the same time, if a man comes along and wants to do it for you, and I've said this before, my kids are my responsibility. Any money that a man gives me is for me. Okay? Okay. And that's my number one tip. I'm going to go smoke my joints and enjoy this rain. Until next time, if you have any questions, leave in the comment section below. If you should have mentioned something I did not mention, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.